An overhaul at the top of Canopy Growth. Co-CEO Bruce Linton has been fired. Mark Zakulan will remain as CEO as the company looks for a permanent replacement.
Constellation Brands, which has two board members with about a 40% stake in the company, said, quote, to Yahoo Finance, "We fully support the decision made by Canopy Growth's board of directors to appoint Mark Zakulan as the company's sole CEO. Mark has played an integral role in the company's success since its inception, including managing all aspects of the company's day-to-day operations. The future of Canopy Growth remains very bright, and we look forward to the company's continued success for many years to come." Yahoo Finance's Zack Guzman is here with more. Zack, you cover this company extensively. What's your take on all this?
Well, we just heard Canopy Growth. I can't even say Canopy Growth's Bruce Linton speak anymore because he's not there anymore. It's shocking, and I mean, this was not expected. When you talk about a man who is deeply connected to what the company does, it's hard to find an example more so true than that. Than when we look at Bruce Linton. He's connected to all the deals that this company has been working on as the company focuses on CBD. It was not expected. They were even lining up interviews with us as early as next week. So, I mean, we heard him speak to CNBC a little bit ago saying that this was unexpected on his end. But, of course, the writing was on the wall. He was not invited to the board meetings. And when you're the CEO of the company...
This sounds like a kind of Constellation Brands fingerprints all over this one.
I think that that's the way it is, too. And you've spoken with the Constellation Brands CEO before as well. He's on that board, maybe not happy with the way the performance has happened with Canopy Growth. Of course, last quarter wasn't very good as well. We talk about the losses Canopy Growth has. Bruce Linton calls this a disagreement in terms of philosophy and management. I think that's really what we're seeing there.
So what does that suggest in terms of the direction this company's going to go in? Because if what has been in place has not been working, are we going to see some dramatic changes as a result?
Well, we already know that Constellation Brands appointed the CFO of Canopy Growth. So they've already put their fingerprint in terms of that sense on this company that they're heavily invested in. Let's not forget it's $4 billion that they had riding on Canopy Growth when they made that investment last year. So, I mean, when you look at it, if you don't trust the man at the top, obviously you're going to want to put people in place, and they did that with their CFO appointment. I'm sure they're going to be instrumental in who they go out and try and put in here. But the one thing is the deal that they had with Acreage, that's gone through, so at least one thing down, and now they'll have to find a replacement for Bruce.